Hello, my name is Peter Taraka. I'm the manager of aircraft restoration at the Intrepid Museum. And today we're talking about the MiG-21. The airplane was in good condition for having sat out in the elements for nearly a decade. We were pleasantly surprised to find that there was not a tremendous amount of corrosion buildup inside the internal structures of the airframe. So then, after thorough cleaning and the application of preservative coatings on the internal structures, we are removing the prior paint coating, which is usually pretty oxidized, as it was in this case. What we do to prepare for a new paint job is just remove the oxidized paint on just the top layers. We like to leave as much paint on there as possible because it's constantly eroding. So this MiG-21 was a gift from the country of Poland in 1991. This scheme commemorates a scheme I found that was being used by a squadron in Poland as late as 2002. The second brighter green you see in various places on the airframe, this green color was used on composite components, fiberglass components, which would be used to cover sensitive radio equipment. But in addition to that, there were, in a couple of places on the airplane, sort of what's called nose art. It might not necessarily be on the nose. One of those, it's a small dragon carrying a lightning bolt for a weapon and carrying a shield on which is the Polish national insignia. For me, add a lot of charisma to the airplane. So come check out our MiG on the flight deck, and for more information, go to intrepidmuseum.org.